Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to white out text in Adobe Acrobat. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Adobe Acrobat Reader and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here we have the recommended tools for you, recent, and here we're going to find the recent files, stored, Adobe Cloud Storage, your files, scans, shared by you, shared by others. Right here, you're going to find the agreements, and here the file storage, your computer, or you can add file storage. Basically, guys, if you want to white out text in Adobe Acrobat, for example, I'm going to open this PDF, click right here, and then you can click on Edit PDF. Once you click on Edit PDF, you will be taken to this page. So basically, guys, once you're here, for example, I'm going to add a text. Go to the left side of your screen. Here in the top, next to all tools, you're going to find Edit. And right here, you're going to find Add Content. You can either add text, image, header and footer, watermark, or link. For example, if you want to add a text, as you can see, guys, you need to have a premium subscription. So if you have the premium subscription, you go to edit, and then from here, as you can see, guys, there is all the tools that you will need in order to white out your text. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.